Good afternoon, everyone. Welcome today. In the yesterday's newspaper, yes, on Saturday, December the 23rd, 2023. Um, it's actually today Sunday, and we have here an additional with extra puzzles. First one is the letter Sudoku, 2 stars, 3 stars, and a 4 stars Sudoku. We have two jigsaw Sudokus, one with 4 stars and one with 1 star. And the last puzzle is a binary puzzle. In these puzzles, I'm not interested. Total of 7 extra puzzles. I won't do them all. Only 4 of them I will solve. And in the evening, yeah, promise you, I will solve this Samwise Sudoku, yes, in the evening. But first, let me start with the 3 stars Sudoku. 3 stars Sudoku number. This will be number 7675. 7675. Before I start, I always count the printed digits. This one is 27. And if you compare with the 1 star, 2 stars, the 3 stars puzzle, usually it has 25 printed digits. And it will take me more than 20 minutes, 20 to 30 minutes to solve, for if it's really a 3 stars. But the 3 stars has 25 printed digits. This one has 27, so it should be a 1 star. 1 star puzzles has always 27 printed digits. You need to be faster than 15 minutes. That's my time limit. Alright, so let's get started. Let me see, which number can I pick? How about these 4 missing numbers in this big square? 2 of those missing numbers are the 4 and the 9. We have 4 and the 9 in this column. So no 4 and 9 in these 2 boxes. 4 and 9 goes in those 2 boxes as a pair. 4 and 9, 4 and 9. We have a 4 in this row, no 4 there. 4 should be here and 9 goes there. So 2 numbers left in this big square for the 1. The 2, 3 is missing. The 4, the 5, the 6, and 7, and 8 is missing. 3 and 8, 3 and 8. We have a 3 in this row, no 3 there. 3 should be here and 8 goes there. Alright, now. Let me see. 3 missing numbers in the first row. One of the missing numbers is a 7. We have a 7 in this big square, so no 7 in these 2 boxes. 1 box left for the 7 in this first row. Should be there, so 2 numbers left in the first row for the numbers. 1, the 2 is missing, the 3, 4, 5 is missing, 2 and 5, 2 and 5. We have a 2 in the second column. No 2 there, 2 should be here, and the 5 goes there. 3 missing numbers now in the last row. 1 of the missing numbers is 1. We have a 1 in this big square, so no 1 in these 2 boxes. 1 box left for them. 1 in the last row should be there. So 2 numbers left in the last row for numbers. The 1, the 2, 3, the 4, the 5, the 6. 7 is missing. The 8 and 9 is missing. 7, 9, 7, 9. We have a 9 in this column. No 9 there. 9 should be here, and the 7 goes there. Alright, now. How about 3, 6. Yeah, 3 missing numbers in the third column. Those missing numbers are the 1, the 2, 3 is missing, the 4, the 5 is missing, and the 6 is missing. 3, 5, 6, 3, 5, 6, 3, 5, 6, 3, 5, 6. And look, we have 3 and a 6 in this row, so no 3 and 6 in this box. 3 and 6 goes in those 2 boxes as a pair. 3 and 6, 3 and 6. We have a 6 in this row, no 6 there. 6 should be here, and a 3 goes there, so 1 digit left in this third column for number 5. Alright. And then 2, 5, 8, 2, 5, 8, 2, 5, 8. Let me see. 2, 5, 8. Well. So we have a 9 in this column, 9 in that column, so the column 3 in the middle column. The only 2 places left for the 9 should be here or there. We have a 9 in this row, no 9 there. 9 should be there. Well. Uh-huh. One in this column, one in the middle column, so the column next only two places left for the one should be here or there. We have one in this row, no one there, one should be there. Two missing numbers in this column, four numbers. The 1, the 2, the 3, the 4, 5 is missing. The 6 and the 7 is missing. 5 and the 7, 5 and the 7. We have 5 in this row, no 5 there. 5 should be here, and the 7 goes there. Then 2, 8, and 7. 7 in this column, 7 in the middle column, so the column next only two places left for the 7 should be here or there. We have a 7 in this row, no 7 there, 7 should be there. There's 7 here. Well, we have 4 missing numbers in this big square. 2 of those missing numbers are the 4 and the 9. We have 4 and a 9 in the third row, so no 4 and 9 in these two boxes. 4 and 9 goes in those two boxes as a pair. 4 and 9, 4 and then 9. So what are the other two missing numbers in this big square? Those missing numbers are the 1, the 2, 3, the 4, the 5, 6 is missing. The 7 and 8 is missing. 6 and 8, 6 and 8. Let me mark those two boxes. Alright. So we have a 5 in the first row, 5 in the second row, so in the third row. Only two places left for the 5 should be here or there. We have a 5 in the last column, so no 5 there. 5 should be there. 5 in the last column, 5 in the column next. So in that column, the only two places left for the 5 should be here or there. We have a 5 in this row, no 5 there. 5 should be there. Alright. The 5 in this row, the 5 in the last row, so the row between. Only two places left for the 5 should be here or there. We have a 5 in the second column, no 5 there, 5 should be there. And all the 5s are used. I can see. Digit number 1, number 5. How about 7 here? 7 in this row, 7 in that row. So the row between. The only place left for 7 should be there. 7, okay. 6, okay. Yeah. It's 2 and 8. Come on. Well, we have an 8 in this row. 8 in one of those two boxes in the third row. So the row between. Second row, the only place left for 8 should be there. Two numbers left in this big square. For numbers, the 1, the 2 is missing. The 3, the 4, the 5, the 6, the 7, and 8 is missing. 2 and 8, 2 and 8. We have 8 in the middle column, no 8 there. 8 should be here, and the 2 goes there. Two numbers left in this big square. For numbers, 1, 2 is missing, and the 3 is missing. 2 and 3, 2 and 3. We have a 2 in the middle column, no 2 there. 2 should be here, and the 3 goes there. So 1 digit left in this row for number 1. And we have a pair, the 1 and the 7 in the last column, the 1 and the 7 in that column. So the column between, only 3 places left for the 1 and 7 goes in these 3 boxes. 1 and 7, 1 and 7, 1 and 7. And look, we have 1 and 7 in the middle row, so no 1 and 7 in this box. 1 and 7 goes in those two boxes as a pair. Right. Two missing numbers in this column for numbers. The 1, the 2 is missing. 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8 is missing. 2 and 8, 2 and 8. We have 8 in this big square, so no 8 there. 8 should be here, and the 2 goes there. So 2 numbers left in this big square for numbers. The 1, the 2. 3 is missing. The 4, the 5, and the 6 is missing. 3 and the 6. 3 and the 6. Alright. So we have a 6 in this row. 6 in the middle row. So the row above, the only place left for the 6 should be there. 3 and 6. We have a 6 in the last column. No 6 there. 6 should be here. 3 goes there. So we have a 3 in the last column, 3 in that column. So the column between. Only two places left for 3 should be here or there. We have a 3 in this row, no 3 there. 3 should be there. Two numbers left then in this column for numbers. The 1, 2 is missing. The 3 and the 4 is missing. 2 and a 4, 2 and a 4. We have a 2 in the middle row, no 2 there. 2 should be here, and a 4 goes there. So 2 numbers left in this big square for numbers. The 1, 2 is missing. The 3, the 4, the 5, the 6, the 7, the 8, and the 9 is missing. 2 and a 9, 2 and a 9. We have a 2 in the middle row, no 2 there. 2 should be here, and then 9 goes there. 2 in this row, 2 in the middle row. So in the row above, the only 2 places left, the 2 should be here. Or there, we have a 2 in the second column, so no 2 there. 2 should be there. So 2 numbers left here, the 1 and a 7, 1 and a 7. We have a 7 in the second column, no 7 there. 7 should be here. 1 goes there. 1 box left in this big square for number 1. 2 missing numbers now in this big square for numbers 1 and 2, 3, 4 is missing, 5, 6, 7, 8 is missing, 4 and 8, 4 and 8. We have 8 in this row, no 8 there. 8 should be here, and 4 goes there. So 2 numbers left in this big square for numbers 1 and 2, 3, 4 is missing. The 5 and the 6 is missing, 4 and the 6, 4 and the 6. Let me mark those 2 boxes. Yeah, so 2 missing numbers in the middle row for numbers 1 and 2. 3 is missing, the 4, the 5, the 6, the 7, 8 is missing, 3 and 8, 3 and 8. We have a 3 in this column, no 3 there. 3 should be here, and 8 goes there. 6 and 8, we have 8 in the first column, no 8 there. 8 should be here, and a 6 goes there. 4 and a 6, we have a 6 in the first column, no 6 there. 6 should be here, 4 goes there. 4 and a 9, we have a 4 now in the first column, no 4 there. 4 should be here, and the 9 goes there. And the final 2 numbers in this big square for numbers the 1, the 2, 3, the 4, the 5, the 6. 7 is missing, the 8 and the 9 is missing. 7, 9, 7, 9. We have a 7 in the second column, no 7 there. 7 should be here, and the 9 goes there. Finish in 11 minutes. Cannot believe this. Told you, cannot be a 3 stars because I need more time. Yeah, should be a 1 star, not a 3 stars, not a 2 stars. 1 star or 0 star. I think the 0 stars. Yeah, we solved again, and like this one. Do you think so? Thumbs up, otherwise thumbs down. You can also download this PDF file so you can make it or solve it by yourself. Thank you again for watching. See you in a minute with other 3 puzzles. Until then, bye bye for now.